Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download all your photos from Google Photos on your PC. So you can just go to a photo on, photos.google.com. You can just come here and go to the top right, go to the three little dots, and you can download one photo under here. And it's very easy to download all of them. If you just go to like Google search or something like that, you can go to your profile on the top right and select this. And then just go to manage your Google account. Once this pops up, go on over to Data and Privacy. Scroll on down under this window and go to where it says Content Saved from Google Services. Scroll on down and locate Google Photos. So here's Google Photos right here. Go to Download. So I have 388 photos. We can just select this. Going down. And if you do have something that's already processed, you should be able to see a download link on here. So you can see it's canceled, scheduled export. So we can go on down, or we can go to next step. Just make sure Google Photos is selected. And we can send download via link. We can add it to Drive. We can go to OneDrive. So you can just probably do via link, export it once, or you can just automatically do it every 2 months for 1 year. And it's going to be a zip file. That's the only other option is TGZ. Not sure what that is. And if you have a lot of photos, this might be concerning to you. The file size. The output of your request might be delivered in multiple files. So make sure you choose something larger. So like 10 gigabytes. If you got like 10,000 photos, you might want to select something larger like 10,000. Otherwise, you're going to get all your photos in multiple different files of 2 gigabytes. So I'd say 10 gigabytes or maybe even 50 gigabytes. And then you want to create an export link right here. Just go to export. Now it says this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You'll receive an email when the export is done. Now I believe you can just come to this page too when it's done, and you can go to manage your exports. And there should be a download link on here. You can just choose it and you can go to download right here. Otherwise, they're going to send you an email when it's done. So you can go to create new requests, and it should go ahead and just start processing that request. And it could take a while. So you can just go to that download link like I showed you before and just hit download. Now, when you actually download it, it's going to be a zip file. So we can just go to download again. And it should show up under here. And it should be done soon. So we can just go to this 212 megabytes. So we can open this up now, show in folder. And then it's going to show up as takeout under here. So we can just bring this over here. And then we should be able to see it here. Takeout. So I can just look at this and open this up. Takeout. Google Photos. Photos from 2005. They should all be in here now. And that's how you do it. And then you can just transfer this to wherever you want to take it. If you want to put it into a different folder. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.